Right, yes. Welcome. This is Hair by Clippers, and we are going to do this tutorial. And I would like you to be very attentive because we are going to be looking on some tips on how to do the knotless braids. Yes, this is my first time to get kind of this kind of hair like this long and which has got this volume. So today I'm going to be showing you more of the tips on how you can make this hair very little and very comfortable on someone's head. And still I'm going to be showing you the tips on how you're supposed to be doing the knotless both sides. Yes, so this is Hair by Clippers, and I would like to welcome everyone who is watching me wherever you are. Please, you can always make a comment in my comment section. Tell me wherever you're watching us from. We love you so much. Let's do.
Hair by Clippers. Like expected.
Oh yes, to everyone who have ever done knotless braids, yes, I know everyone knows how to do these knotless braids, but this time around I'm going to be showing you most of the tricks that we are supposed to do it, and it helps us to last longer, or even like when you're holding it, your hair remains protective in all ways. So we are going to be looking on at some things that we can always do to make these knotless very neat and to last longer. So in these ones we are going to be plating it into two ways, as you're going to be seeing it in this video. Number one, when I'm plating from down, I know even if we don't show all this, it's just we have to see these tricks so that we can know how we improve on our knotless braid. So number one, when we are plating from behind, we always start like everyone. We always start this way. How you have been seeing, and like the one I'm starting, like normally how we start the knotless braid. So now for me, when I reach on the sides, like these sides and even the other side, we try to change. This is the molding gel that you always ask, like the one that I use. So that is the molding gel. So what we do, we make sure that we apply it. This one helps to hold the whole hair together. If you don't remove this baby hair, it will hold it all. So that's why I always want to remove it. So now when I plait from down using the normal knotless, the way we always plait, those ones who have been plating. So now when I reach on these sides, let's try to look here. Let's try to look here, because now these the tricks that I want to show you, it is on this line. When we reach here, what we do, we just want to first remove the whole baby hair, because it doesn't matter. When we remove it, you don't have to plait it all. So this time around, when I'm near here, I want you to see, because now the whole video is just all around these positions. So this is the last line on the sideways. If you try to look at it, it's the last line on the sideways. So this one still, I plait it normally, like the way you always plait the knotless braid. You understand? This is what I would like. In fact, this is what I want us to see. But the way I always play the normal braid, the normal knotless braid, this is what I do it on this last line. It's the same thing goes to the other line. Then the last line, still you do it going down. So now this remaining hair, it's what I want you to see, like the technique that I use when I'm going to when I'm plaiting this knotless, so that it can give you a view of, if someone is holding a puff, how is it going to look like? Because we always want our braids to be a uniform, looking the same. So This is what I'm going to be showing you, like when you're going on the like when you're doing it, even in the middle. So let's go in the middle so that we can correct all that. So this one is still the same. We're doing it the same. We're doing it the same here. So now we have skipped the other line of the the last line. Now we're going to the hair of the top. So this is when I want you to see how I do it, so that you combine the two. After combining the two, you will see your knotless how it looks, and even it will the change of the duration of it staying. If the other one was taking like 1 month to 2, this one might take 3. So this one I played it like this from inside. You understand? This one I played it from inside. So this is why I'm like, hey, you have to learn also this technique, and this is how you have to do it, just from the inside, just like that. You see, you do it from inside, then you start plating just that way. This way, very, very perfect. So now it means when someone is going to hold a puff, these ones from the side are going to move upwards in the right direction, and then when you reach here on this line also, for them they also have to move on the same and the other directions, in that they can always match. You understand? That's why I decided to do it this way, the knotless inside. You can try to look at it. It is different from the first method that I was using. So this one I do it that way, so that it can help me when I'm holding the puff. All the hair is going to be uniform. And another thing, if you try to look at your knotless, always look from behind, the way you always start from behind. The behind part, when you're holding puff, the way they become very neat than in front. You understand? That in front, try to look at it. If you say that you're going to use the same technique, the same method, but for me here, when I reach in front, I change the technique, so that when I'm holding puff, the front looks like the behind. I don't know if you're getting this, but trust me, that is the only way to go. And even the locking of the front, it will always be very, very simple for you, because there's some of my friends who always want to. You see, now this is looking down. You see how it looks down. So if I hold it puff and I bring these, they are looking at the same. You see, this is what I was trying to show you. So now you better learn on how to do this technique. Let's just look here in front, so that maybe we can get something from it. I always remove the baby hair, because that one always make our hair painful. So we always have to remove it. Then we apply the molding gel just like that. Then we cut it into three portions, the lines, or it's cut them into 3 portions this way. And then you just have to bring these your hair this way. Then you try to first apply the hair only just like that, using your hands very well. Make sure the baby hair is not there. This is the best technique that you can use, trust me. If you use this technique, it will be very, very helpful. Sorry about that. Yes, so you just have to continue with it. You keep on adding this way. So adding is very simple. Just adding according to the volume of the braid that you're having. So until you have that volume, and then you stop. So all those things, you do it from the inside way. So this is how you can also try to do your knotless. Trust me, you will love it. And if you continue doing this, it will help you to do all that. And trust me, I'm doing it this way. I'm continuing adding so that I can make. So if you try to look here in front, trust me, it is doing it better. It is very, very nice. And this is what I was trying to explain. So if you keep on watching the video, tell me guys, whatever you are, go in my comment section, tell me whatever you are. This is Hair by Clippers, and this is our good salon. We have the online courses already. You can go and search on Google, and you can start with the inside knotless. There's the extended dreads. Yes, you can learn from the online. And by using that www.hairbyclippers.com, yeah, you go and learn online courses also. So this is what I got for you. And if you try to look at this, let's try to hold up off here so that you can see it, what I was trying to explain to you. If you see from behind it is going down the way I was trying to tell you, and then I come the same on the sides. Still it is going down this way. You see how it is going down this way. And now if I would play this seal here in front, it wouldn't have done it. So in front I also do it looking down, you see. So now that makes it look uniform. And this is what I got for you guys. This is Hair by Clippers. We love you so much, and please, you can always tell me whatever you're watching us from. Hair by Clippers. We love you so much, and may God bless you all. Bye bye.